Okay, now we're moving on. We have the new 1200 watt 24 volt inverter. Now, for people who have battery systems, solar systems in their vans and in their campers, they'll realize what we're doing here. We're going to put this on 900 watt heating and see. Now, the bigger inverters can handle it, so we're going to see about the smaller inverters. So what we're going to do, this particular heater, when it comes on, it kicks on at 1200. 1500 first. So we're not going to try that. We know better than that. So what we're going to do is turn it on and turn it on fan immediately so it doesn't go to 1500 and stress the 1200 watt inverter. Then we will switch it over to 900 and we'll see how the inverter handles it. Okay, here we go. I hope we did it. Oh no, we didn't. Did not get it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's see if I can get this thing. All right, I think we're on fan now. I didn't from the beginning. I messed up. I didn't get it quick enough, but we have it now. So we're on fan. I hope we did this right. I'm not sure what we did. Let me see what happened. Okay, we kicked it off. Okay, now we're going to try that again. Okay, we should be on fan now. We are. We're not stressing I did it too quick a while ago. Anyway, so we're good now. We're just on fan. So we're now going to switch it over to 900 watt. Okay, there's 900. Now, what you heard in the background is that fan of the inverter kicking on because, well, running 900 watts of 1200 watts. But it is running it. So we have 900 watts running. If we ever get in the stress part of a heat situation, we know we got 900 watts. Now we have a 750 watt heater coming, so I feel real comfortable with that being able to run easily. So we're in good shape, guys. This worked. Everything that we've tried to do so far has worked. Anyway, okay. We will go to the next one. We'll see what happens. Talk to you guys later.